Hey, YouTube fans. Thank you for checking in with me on the other side of the road. I also want to welcome you to my new location series, the first of. I'm heading over to a farmer's market. The place is called Salinger's Orchard. I have been to this place many times. I love it. They have great bakery and fruits and vegetables. Very fresh stuff, all fresh, right from the farm, the bakery, right from the ovens. Sometimes they're even still warm when you come in and you touch the packaging and stuff like that. And plenty of other great goodies to get. I would say every time I come to these farmers markets up here in different locations, I always have to purchase stuff for my family and send it over. If you're from New York and you're familiar with the lower Hudson Valley area, I'm off the Route 202 or US 202, just off of it, on Guinea Road, and this road here is going to take me right to the market. Even this is a farmer's market. I pretty much come up here just to get bakery. I get a few vegetables like tomatoes and cucumbers and stuff like that, but mainly I purchase a lot of bakery from up here. Although it is about an hour and a half's ride from New York City, I'm from Queens, and I can tell you the bakery up here is definitely much better than what I get back home, even though they got good bakeries back where I'm at in Queens and near Astoria. I'll tell you, the one major thing that I can't leave from here is getting the apple cider donuts. Man, I can watch a movie, Netflix, Hulu, whatever, and I'll eat 3 of those in a sitting while watching TV and stuff like that. I mean, the apple ciders are great, and there's the other locations that I will showcase later on also have apple ciders. Most of these farmer markets do have them, but I think they're all equally as good, even though there is a difference between some of them. Well, here we are. We're approaching on the left side there. I gotta watch myself when I get my bike in here. You'll see the slant right now. It's like I gotta put the bike in a good position. That's the only thing I hate about coming into this little parking area. You can see it's very slopey, so I got a little trick. I'm just gonna pull up next to the building where it's a little flatter. Hey, what's up, fans? Here's the location I came to. I've been here quite a few times. They got very good bakery stuff and fresh vegetables and fruits. And this place is called Salinger's Orchard. You can see up on the sign up there. We're gonna go inside and we're gonna check out a few things. I'm gonna buy a few bakery because I like that shit, man. So why don't you follow me inside and we'll check out the stuff and check out and get out of here later. Yep, did my shopping, man. Ready to go. Got a few things here. Gonna stop over my mom's and give her a few things also. And we out of here. Well, there it is. Just came out of this place, and every time I go here, man, I gotta spend some serious money, man, because I gotta buy everybody something, and that's not even like including myself and stuff like that. And I mean, the stuff is good. It's like you can't resist, dude. You gotta go in there. You gotta get all that bakery, the chocolate chip cookies, man. You gotta stock up. When you're at home and chilling out on a weekend and watching, like I said before, Hulu, Netflix and stuff like that, man. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed that location and you come up and visit them and shop. You won't regret it. It's good stuff, man. I guarantee it because I said so. also. Got it? So I hope you enjoyed this episode of location series. I will be coming back to you with more other locations, as we go and record stuff, and me traveling everywhere where I like to shop and eat. Thank you for hanging out with me. Please subscribe. I will get you some more content coming. And as always, rubber down and be safe on the road. Catch you soon. Bye-bye.